what kind of guy you know seek?
Personality traits that I fall for. I like intellect. I like intellectual people. I really adore them.
आप जाना चाहेंगे the 50s में? It's a good show.
Yeah, why not?
But Hira Mandi 2 के लिए why aren't you in talks and trying? I would love to see you there.
I tell you, अगर मुझे हीरा मंडी में से कोई मिल गया तो मैं तो अदाएं दिखा के
Rakhi versus Poonam, Poonam in love with Rakhi. A lot of patch-ups, breakups of friendships we see there.
With Rakhi, I don't think we've ever had any fight. We've always been in touch. We always talk on the phone also. She's a dear friend of mine.
Childhood कैसा था आपका Poonam?
बचपन में बहुत मार पड़ी, माँ बाप ने बहुत फाट फूट दिया मुझे. I remember that and I'll never forget that.
How Poonam is in real life, apart from we see on the social media.
I stay in my own cocoon, my own with my. You've met Caesar now, so yeah, मेरी छोटी सी प्यारी सी world.
Like शादी के बाद how बहुरानी you would be?
My plan is, I'm not kidding. My plan is to have 5 kids. I mean, I'm gonna look very hot in chuda and mangalsutra and everything. Yeah. So why not?
Yeah.
तो मैं हाँ करूँगी सब करूँगी. Hi, this is Poonam Pandey and you're watching me on Filmy Beat.
It's been a while that I've been trying to speak to one of a lady जिन्होंने अपनी जंग खुद लड़ी है, and somebody who's been on her own conditions and terms. I'm talking about Poonam Pandey. Welcoming you to Filmy Beat. This is Mia Saadi. Welcoming finally Poonam. How are you? We've been planning interviews. She has ditched me twice, but it's okay.
You come on, Adi. I mean,
Come on.
we've done interviews so many times, है ना? Why would I ditch you? You are much इतने बड़े famous आप, मतलब मैं ऐसा क्यों करूँगी? मुझे आपको कॉल कि please हमारा इंटरव्यू ले लो.
नहीं, कैसी हैं आप?
I'm good.
with
I'm all
life?
good. Yes. all good.
Controversies और पूनम का रिश्ता पुराना गहरा और मजेदार रहता है अक्सर. What's happening now? Your no controversies from last some of the days. Good life?
You really think I will stop?
What is cooking? Then tell me.
Why would I tell you? Controversies बोल के नहीं आते.
How was Africa? You were there. What all you did?
मैंने शेर, चीता, लायन, बहुत कुछ देखा. हाँ जी.
Local लोगों के साथ वीडियोस बनाई.
हाँ जी.
Which was fun.
खाना खाया, बहुत मजे किए. You know the best part what I liked about Tanzania, and I'm not kidding, right? People there are so madly in love. So the best part what I liked about Tanzania ना दे वहाँ पे बहुत सारे Bollywood के fans हैं. I remember meeting this amazing lady and she was like, you know what, I like this track, and she actually sang Boli Churiya, and it was so interesting to see that, that we Bollywood is so famous. हमारी सोच समझ भी बाहर है कि wherever you go, in fact हमारा एक layover भी था, and I remember check post पे वहाँ पे भी there's some white guy just listening to some nice beautiful Shah Rukh Khan song, and I'm like, wow. And I'm just walking around and I'm experiencing that Bollywood is loved by everyone.
The 50s is in the talks for now, and a lot of people being approached, and it has good names as per my sources. You're also in talks. Your comment on that?
I don't think I want to comment on that right now.
So you're in talks as your face can say it all.
What? Nothing. I'm
So
saying.
let's put it other way. आप जाना चाहेंगे the 50s में? It's a good show.
Yeah, why not?
So negotiations on the money is going on.
You were very smart, huh? Let's skip this question.
But reality is a show where people are very real. And I was just talking about a nowadays actor which has come in the picture where they are very PR trained, they don't open up so much. And then we have people like you who are very much up there, it's a sad story, you're there putting it up. Dakaiti hui hai ghar mein, you're there putting it up. A controversy happened, you're there addressing that, which is a good part. Also comes with a lot of trolling. But now we have these new people, very PR trained, don't open their mouths, and very fragile. Oh my God, this controversy, this question can hurt and go to my mind. Tell me that, is it the guts that you're having or something else?
Um, no, first of all, I would not go out and tell anyone कि मेरे घर पे डकैती हुई to begin with.
Well, like after the procedures.
No, I get it. I get it. See, yes, there is a lot of PR strategy that goes on with every celebrity, small, medium, large. Sorry, that sounded very wrong. But that's what she said.
That's what she
You
said.
got that joke?
Yeah.
Anyway, so coming back to the question. See, there are certain type of personalities, I would rather put it in that manner. Like, for example, if you pick a Rakhi Sawant, who is the biggest entertainment that I have come across, and I think our entire India has come across, and she is just brilliant. If someone wants to learn how to PR and market themselves for years and years and to sustain, that is Rakhi Sawant for me. Right? And yes, there are other people also. बहुत सारे यहाँ पे भूखे लोग भी बैठे हैं कि आओ मुझे देखो, हम घूमेंगे, आओ मुझे. So I think again, what I'm trying to tell you is it is personalities, right? In my case, yes, I am upfront. आपने जब शुरुआत में से मुझसे कुछ पूछा, मैंने पट करके मैंने बोल दिया. So I'm very, but I'm like this only, and I've been like this since childhood. बचपन में बहुत मार पड़ी, माँ बाप ने बहुत फाट फूट दिया मुझे. I remember that, and I'll never forget that. So for some people, they think that I'm upfront. For some people, they think, oh my God, like this is amazing, how honest you are. So different kind of opinions, right, from everyone. But tell me one thing, Adi. I mean, why would I live on a daily basis because of their opinion and their judgment? आप आपके घर पे बैठ के आपका पराठा अचार खाते हो, शांति से बैठते हो ना, तो मैं भी वैसे ही बैठती हूँ और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि वो पराठा मेरे पैसों का है. तो मुझे उनके मम्मी पापा से फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
I love the way you're putting that.
Yes.
But what is the advice that you'd love to give to the young Poonam, जो बहुत naive, नई थी industry में. She didn't know how to read the room. She didn't know how to know the people, how to judge them.
Yeah.
So what are the advices you have?
To the younger version of mine, so typical थाने की लड़की. I'm from ठाणे. Typical ठाण्याची मुलगी. टीचा, वड़ा पाव, ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करना without ticket. टीसी ने पकड़ लिया तो टीसी रहे यार अपन घर. So I've done everything in my life, right? And यहाँ आती हूँ मैं बॉलीवुड में. लोखंड वाला. And it's been an amazing journey, Adi. And you meet all kind of people, right? That 17 साल की थी जब मैंने मेरा किंगफिशर कैलेंडर किया था, और तब से लेके आज तक मैं सिर्फ सीख रही हूँ. सीखना तो खैर मरते दम तक है. The best part about being a lady or a guy, I mean, we all have our own struggles and our own success, but what I have learned is first धीरज, थोड़ी शांति, थोड़ा पेशेंस लाओ, सब्र रखो. कुछ अगर आपको करना है लाइफ में, take a breath, relax, understand what you want to do instead of just running like a headless chicken. Because then you're just running directionless, and then later एक young खून होता है ना, तो that is something that I've learned from my own experience, and that is something I'd like to tell out to other women also. कि लोगों के बहकावे में ना आए, कोई कुछ बोलते तो just understand them well, because there are sharks running out there, and today मुझे भी उन्होंने बहुत smart बना दिया है. All kudos to them. So
the Shark Tank.
The Shark Tank, yes.
In literal meanings. But you're still single. Out of all the things that you've achieved, coming from Thane to Lokhandwala, the vacuum of love is pending. So, what is up there? Sanata.
I will not comment on that also.
Are you seeing somebody?
Why would it?
Because last time when I asked you that if you're single, you bluntly said, yes, I am single. This time you're not up commenting on it.
No, you know the best part about me, I just can't lie. It just shows on my face.
The Poonam has a pandey.
No, no.
So you're seeing somebody.
No, I'm not.
Come on, Poonam. It's quite evident. Accept it. Ki, haan. I'm not saying that you say that I'm in a relationship. You can say yes, I am. You know, checking out, or there's somebody.
I can't. I don't know. ऐसा सवाल है यार, मेरे को भी प्रिपरेशन करना चाहिए था.
पता नहीं था कि मैं आ रहा हूँ.
Yeah, yes. नहीं, मुझे पता था you're coming. I was like, prepare. It's mentally full prepared. Like, Adi is coming. Okay. Take a deep breath. Let's not talk about this.
But chalo, let me rephrase it. Not to the question. What kind of guy you know seek, or you are seeing, or what kind of a personality?
I'm not.
But what is your like personality traits you fall for?
Personality traits that I fall for. I like intellect. I like intellectual people. I really adore them. Someone with yeah, that's about it.
Someone with?
No, that's about it.
Intellectual.
You know, we always have this pauses. If you've realized this, every time we sit and talk now, you always put me to this pause and I go like, socho, samjho. Yeah.
Any politician you have crush on?
Crush? यार मेरे देश में मैं उनके ऐसे पैर पड़ूं, मैं उनके
नहीं, young politicians are also there.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. नहीं, उनकी भी बात कर रही हूँ. मैं उनकी माता, बहनों, भाइयों सबकी, मैं आपकी बच्ची हूँ, मैं आप पे बिल्कुल क्रश नहीं करती हूँ. मैं मुझे
उन पे क्रश
तौबा.
अच्छा, not into politicians at all.
No.
तो इसका ये तो मतलब साफ है कि आप politicians को नहीं देख रही हैं अपने जीवन में. Politicians में आप
मेरा दिमाग, काश मेरे पास उतना दिमाग होता, बट मुझे थोड़ा सा मतलब कभी अगर मेरी गुफ्तगू होगी किसी से तो मैं समझूंगी कि मुझे अब थोड़ा
तो नहीं होगा फिर उसके साथ तो बाकी बचा कुछ रहेगा.
तो मैं basically what I'm trying to say is कि no, I'm no. बस
ठीक है. We have seen, you know, Rakhi versus Poonam in love with Rakhi, a lot of patch-ups, breakups of friendships we see there. What is his status right now? All settled?
No, with Rakhi, I don't think we've ever had any fight. We've always been in touch. We always talk on the phone. Also, she's a dear friend of mine, and she's always been my support system, and I support her too. I think she's fabulous. Yeah.
Another reason that you're not into politicians because विश्व हिंदू परिषद ने आपको रामलीला में पार्टिसिपेट करने से सख्त मना कर दिया और रावण की बीवी का कैरेक्टर छीन लिया. Is that a thing?
Absolutely not. Politicians is something that I don't understand since childhood.
After also you...
No, I tell you what, Adi. See, of course, I felt very bad.
Of course.
I had prepared that character. मैंने काफी चीजें की थी. तो मुझे बुरा तो लगा, लेकिन अगर उन्होंने कोई डिसीजन लिया होगा ना तो उन्होंने कुछ सोच समझ के लिया होगा. मैं भी नहीं चाहती कि वहां पे उनको कोई भी तकलीफ हो मेरी वजह से स्पेशली. तो I remember even giving my wishes to the lady who performed Mandotri, and I think it all went well. But I seriously, genuinely want them to rethink कि please 2025 में 2026 में प्लीज आप मुझे, अगर ये वीडियो आप देखें तो प्लीज मुझे वो रोल दीजिएगा वापस.
But I guess also हम हमेशा बोलते हैं जो चीजें नहीं होती क्योंकि भगवान कुछ अच्छा सोचता है. What my thoughts were on this कि maybe अगर आप जाती तो दंगे फसाद हो सकते थे which could have lead to your safety issues and all. I guess that was also a thing. But I guess वो manageable नहीं है.
That's exactly what I thought. कि अगर इन्होंने कुछ सोचा होगा तो
something big.
And it is one of the biggest रामलीला ना, तो मेरा कुछ सोच के उन्होंने ये decision लिया होगा. So I'm totally in support with them. और मैं क्यों नहीं करूँ यार, मतलब I have my own side. Adi, मैं अपने घर पे when I stay I do my puja, I do my everything, which we don't put on internet because
that's personal.
That's personal. So yeah, that's my life.
You becoming producer?
हाँ, मतलब चीजें चल रही हैं. Things are going on.
YouTube vlogs अच्छे चल रहे हैं आपके?
हाँ, अरे
हाँ।
आपने देखा?
Of course, I've seen the vlogs. कहीं भी अब Poonam is the biggest paparazzi now we have.
हे
सीधा
भगवान।
फोन निकल के ready with the singers in Africa. You know. So what is the motivation behind it? काफी सालों से तो नहीं किया. पैसा है YouTube पे. Of course, आगे बोलें.
It's not like that, आदि काफी सालों से नहीं किया.
On and off.
I've been doing a lot of things in my life. काफी सालों से लोगों ने notice नहीं किया. I would say that, you know, people prefer to see my tits more than my talent, so that's not my problem. But right now they are seeing my talent, so yeah.
But in general, like today, you had a bit time. You did this interview, है ना? उसके अलावा, like, what are your ways of spending the entire day? Like, how Poonam is in real life, apart from we see on the social media. Like you said, you do pujas. What time do you wake up on the chutti days? Late Latifa, you are the early bird.
No. I'm completely early bird. I wake up at 7. Yes. I sleep.
I'm leaving after this.
I sleep like good at 11, 10:30, 11. तो से कभी-कभी मेरे दोस्तों के फोन आते हैं, wake up करते हैं कि अरे मिस कॉल है weekend पे तो नहीं, I pass out. थोड़ी सी मतलब I stay in my own cocoon, my own with my you've met Caesar now, तो yeah, मेरी छोटी सी प्यारी सी world.
Yeah. So about okay, the first thing you do.
Sam Sadashiv is something I would say because I'm a very big believer into of Mahakal, my Shiva. और उनका नाम लेने के बाद I watch प्रेमानंद जी महाराज को मैं बहुत मानती हूँ, which not a lot of people know, and I really love going on YouTube and whenever I feel stuck in something और मुझे अगर कोई चीज़ें समझ में नहीं आती है, I literally go and watch his video. And the best part about Premanand Ji Maharaj is, you know, I'm getting goosebumps. Can you see? I'm talking about him. It's like when he speaks, it feels like that कि आप भगवत गीता सुन रहे हैं.
Yeah.
आपको आपके सवालों के जवाब मिल जाते हैं. It's very beautiful to see that. Yeah, to watch that. Yeah.
And what are your meals?
I am a foodie, Adi. I eat like a
Desi
अरे पूरा दाल चावल भाजी रोटी. I'm a vegetarian. I've always been vegetarian all my life. तो हाँ, और मिर्ची बहुत खाती हूँ. मेरे एक नॉर्मल मील में इजीली 11-12 मिर्ची तो.
How do you digest? It's very एक खाकर मैं मर जाऊं भाई. यहाँ पे 5, 6, 11, 12 की बातें हो रही है. But I guess that's Mumbai, na major.
Apli Mumbai, and you born and brought up here, I mean.
But how Bahurani are you?
Bahurani.
Yeah.
Bahurani.
शादी होने
Did you
के
just
बाद.
ask me?
Yeah. Like शादी के बाद how Bahurani you would be?
शादी के बाद.
Do you have such dreams of, you know, having a chuda, putting sindoor on?
So my plan is, I'm not kidding. My plan is to have 5 kids, and I mean, I'm gonna look very hot in chuda and mangalsutra and everything. Yeah. So why not?
Yeah.
तो मैं हंत करूँगी, सब करूँगी. धीरे-धीरे, step by step.
Of course. अभी तो just we're seeing the environment right now of the world. That is how it is. But क्योंकि शादी की बातें हमने की, प्यार की बातें हमने की, जीवन की बातें हमने की, प्यार ढूंढने की बातें की, settle होने की बातें की, YouTube is going good, everything is fun. What is something that is left, you know, that you still wanna do? Maybe a heroine, a more heroine, kind of like.
I'm gonna spend more time with my family. That is one thing. काम तो चल रहा है आदि, बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है.
That's true.
ऊपर वाले ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया और करते रहेगा, मुझे पता है. But yeah, and I've started doing that बहुत ज़्यादा अभी. So I'm spending more time with my mom, with my sister, और मुझे मजा आ रही है अभी लाइफ में. I would say that, yeah.
What kind of conversations do you have with your family? Like maybe the childhood recalls.
कल मैं अपने मॉम के साथ बैठ के, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी के बारे में बात कर रही थी और हमें बहुत मजा आ रहा था. So me, my mom, we would sit and we would watch all एकता मैम सीरियल and we would कहानी घर घर की, और बहुत मजा आता था हमको. तो कमली कहाँ है, तो हम लोग वही बैठ के बात करते, हम कितनी मस्ती करते थे, हम ये करते थे वो करते. तो You know how when you sit with your mom.
Of course.
Yeah.
But Hiramandi 2 ke liye, why aren't you in talks and trying? I would love to see you there with all the tikas and all with that
आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर आ रही. That's very kind of you to even think like that.
I'll be your ustad, you know. You need a support.
I tell you, अगर मुझे हीरा मंडी में से कोई मिल गया तो मैं तो अदाएं दिखा के.
But you'll be negative. Very.
I would love to do a negative character.
है ना?
Love.
कोठियां हटाने वाली.
है ना? दे दो मुझे चाबियां.
But any encounter with Bhansali ji ever? Like you must have met him.
मेरा सपना है. That is.
कि मिल
मैं जब इंडस्ट्री में आई थी, मैं शुरुआत से जब से मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि यार इनसे देख भी लिया, अगर इनको कभी मुझे देखने का भी मौका मिल गया तो भी मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात हो गई. I'm genuinely a very big fan of him. His cinema is just breathtaking, yaar. It is so larger than life. Something that you can only imagine is what he puts in his canvas. So it's brilliant. Yeah.
Any other director?
मुझे अभी धुरंधर बहुत पसंद है.
लालच.
तो अगर उनके साथ भी कभी काम करने का मौका मिल गया तो
शरारत you would have done nicely, I feel.
मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है. मैं do you know Adi, I've been really genuinely working on my acting a lot. यही प्रॉब्लम है घर के अंदर.
It's okay.
चलेगा ना. हाँ. Sorry, what was I saying? हाँ. So मेरा ना Adi, I've been working very hard on my acting skills because I've just did my my Actor's Truth with Saurabh Sachdeva sir, and he's amazing. I think everyone should do that. It's so brilliant. मैं बस काम कर रही हूँ वही. I'm just polishing my skills and waiting for the right job to come.
But do you think that you are not considered as actor as others are? Maybe the social media or the controversies leads to not having that image.
Sometimes yes, I do think that. But I mean,
again, the controversies and the brands are paying the bills.
Yeah, they are paying the bill. But you know what, Adi? If you want to do something in life, I never thought I would become what I am today, right? From where I've come.
Yeah.
मैंने तो कभी सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था कि कोई मेरे साथ आके एक पिक्चर भी क्लिक करेगा. हम स्लम से रह के बाहर निकले. तो अगर मुझे ऊपर वाले ने ये दिया है तो मुझे जो चाहिए वो भी दे देगा. और मैं मेहनत करूंगी उस रास्ते तो मिल जाएगा.
Childhood कैसा था आपका पूनम? Were you very naughty, bubbly girl?
I was stubborn. I was very stubborn, very quiet. I would probably just sit in one corner, tie in my mouth, literally like that. I would not talk to anyone. I was extremely introvert. Like introvert का definition अगर कोई था तो वो मैं थी. तो मैं यहाँ से यहाँ flip हुई हूँ ऐसे पूरा. तो ज़्यादा flip हो गई. पता है मुझे.
It's okay, but that's there.
No, it's fabulous. Yeah. I love it.
What था स्कूल में?
Sorry.
स्कूल वाला boyfriend.
नहीं.
कॉलेज.
मैं उतनी लकी नहीं थी जो आजकल की मैं देखती हूँ ना. मैं सोचती हूँ यार, मतलब मेरा क्यों कोई मेरा.
I also not had anyone in my school and college.
You know, today when you see these Gen Z kids na, it's like they're having boyfriends 8th grade में 7th grade में. Like, यार मैं 10th तक पहुँच गई थी मैं तो. And I wouldn't even talk. I would go like, कैसे बात करूँ, क्या करूँ. And I had very tiny hair. And I was probably the most ugly looking girl in my class. That's what I feel. So मैंने कि कोई मुझे क्यों ही देखेगा. तो या बस जर्नी यही है मेरी.
वो तो खैर हम समझ गए आपकी ओपनिंग ऑफ द इंटरव्यू से कि जगह आपकी यही है. बट अभी जीवन की परिभाषा क्या है? You know, you've seen it all. There are bad days, there are happy days. There are days where you're getting ample of amount for a project. There are days when they're asking you to just bargain and, you know, cut down short. But it's a good project. Have to do sometimes just for the sake of work. So after all of it, what is your definition of life and love?
It is beautiful to begin with. And as an artist, we all have to go through this. It's very normal.
Yeah.
I personally feel that monetary should always come secondary. For me, if the job is good, मैं तो free में भी जाके कर लूँगी. And I'm not kidding. I'm like that. If something that I like, I just go ahead and do it. I've just learned this out of experience that you know कि उतना मत भागो चीज़. अगर आपको कुछ पसंद आती तो आप कर लो. सोचो मत ज़्यादा. और मिलते रहेगा. Trust me, I'm like this only. You know, I've whatever I've seen, whatever I've experienced, right from the trolls to being loved again to being extremely loved. So it's like the एक ही चीज मेरे को पता है कि भाई सबसे पहले तो खुद से ही बहुत ज्यादा प्यार करो टू बिगिन विद. ये लोग रहेंगे नहीं रहेंगे जो भी होगा एटलीस्ट आप आपके लिए हो. आपका काम है इनको एंटरटेन करना. मैं एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में हूँ और मैं आपको एंटरटेन करती रहूंगी एक्टिंग के जरिए. अभी तो मैंने यूट्यूब पे भी मस्ती करना चालू कर दिया. Yeah, that's it.
But I guess you know YouTube, Insta is the new game now.
Yeah.
Do you also feel like nowadays actors are also being logged on the basis of the followers that they have, and influencers are becoming actors? So how do you see that? Or it is good? Anything which fits in the role should go.
See, a lot of actors I've seen a couple of interviews, you know, that and which is true. I mean, this one amazing actress, and I follow her, and she just came up and she said, you know, कि यार मतलब कि तुम लोग मेरे followers के नाम पे तुम मुझे job. ये बुरा भी है यार, because तुम अच्छे performer हो, तो तुमको काम मिलना चाहिए. आप किसी की इसके 4 मिलियन है और इसके 10 मिलियन है तो I think that's wrong in every way. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. आर्टिस्ट मतलब इतना मत, हम वैसे ही इतना झेलते हैं लाइफ में और उसके ऊपर तुम और बोझे पे बोझा डाले जा रहे हो तो गलत है ना.
चलो मान लीजिए आप 50s करती हैं, मान लिया. उसमें राखी is also approached and Arshi is also approached. We're gonna have a bang on season. There's no doubt about it. After having Poonam, please tell me, have you thought of this?
आपको क्या लगेगा हम 3 जाके अंदर क्या करने वाले?
I don't know. अभी
नहीं क्या है आपके दिमाग में? नहीं आपके दिमाग में इस वक्त exact at this moment क्या आया बोलिए?
Lot of drama.
What will we? नहीं हम 3 मिलके क्या करेंगे? Tell me that.
A lot of drama and entertainment.
Drama. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very bad Poonam. This is not me. This is her thinking all this. But tell me, you know, have you given a thought that way? Oh, Rakhi is also post. Arshi is also post.
I mean, I really love Rakhi. Yeah.
Arshi don't.
I mean, why not? I mean,
fun.
Yeah, she's amazing. Yeah.
ठीक है. प्यार तो वहाँ पे होगा नहीं. 50 दिन का ही शो है.
क्यों प्यार नहीं होगा? भरपूर प्यार होगा. हम लोग क्यों इस शो के बारे में बात कर?
अरे मैं जान रहा हूँ. That's just a thought.
नहीं, if I get to do
the 50s.
Yeah, 50s. I mean, हम प्यार बांटेंगे भर के प्यार बांटेंगे.
I wanna see you with Pooja Mishra someday. I'm telling you.
You know what? Can I tell you? Can I really tell you this? So after Rakhi Sawant, if I really like something, that is Pooja Mishra, and I am not kidding. That woman is bang on.
Oh my God.
Sometimes I scroll and एक रील उसकी आती है ना, तेरी बाबा. I'm like this woman is something else. So like I think.
But I can never find her real ID. That's the thing, I guess. No, she's not on Instagram.
I don't know that. I don't know. But whenever I'm scrolling something and if she pops up, and I think you need guts for that. You don't need guts to be Poonam Pandey. Trust me. That is genius. Yeah.
Cricket से पुराना नाता है. Of course, we all know that.
हमारा जन्म वहीं से हुआ है ना.
तो any cricketer you like? Just ऐसे. The game maybe, the looks maybe. Abhishek Sharma is quite popular nowadays.
यार मैं जितना ऐसे दूर भागती हूँ ना कि ऐसे कुछ भी ऐसा मत बोल, कुछ भी ऐसा मत कर. When you sit ना, you want to ऐसे घूम के you wanna take that out ना. नहीं, मैं बहुत सीधी सादी भोली वाली लड़की बन चुकी हूँ तो ऐसे कोई मस्ती नहीं करती.
So Poonam, after all the love you've been receiving from the fans, and we have seen, you know, they've been constant, especially on social media. चाहे कितना भी कुछ बदल जाए, whatever Poonam is doing, she's doing a film, she's doing a project, she's doing a show, she's hosting a reality show, but the fans have been constant, which is rare, which is very rare, you know. They might not come and meet because of course that's typical nowadays. You are in your car, they can't see you much, but social media is constant. Of course हमें गालियाँ भी उतनी ही पड़ती हैं, that's fair. But how do you deal with that, like the love and the troll at the same time? Same दिन में.
सर मैं आपको ना कल रात का ही एक किस्सा सुनाती हूँ. So I was out and there were a couple of celebrities there. It was a very tight party, and there were some celebrities who spoke against me when the entire cervical cancer thing was happening.
Yeah.
And I met them yesterday, and I asked them, I was like, hey, you know what, like I'm sorry, you know, if I made you feel wrong in any way, but I was just doing my job. And then they hugged me and they were like, I'm sorry, you know, ki now that I've met you in person,
You're different.
it's like you're different. So I would say the same thing to these amazing stupid idiot trolls. पर खैर उन बेचारों के पास काम धंधा तो है ही नहीं, तो वो तो लिखते ही रहते हैं.
No DPs.
कुछ भी नहीं है उनका. Faceless people, jobless people. I actually feel bad for them. But जो celebrities हैं, at least you know, I'm glad that when I met them and you know they liked. So I think लोगों को जब आप पता नहीं होते हो ना कि आप हो कैसे, तो वो उठ के आपको जज करते हैं ना, तो वो गलत चीज है, तो वो नहीं होनी चाहिए.
And that happens, I guess, you know. Yeah. I also know you. I guess we're doing this some 5th, 6th interview together, and the appearance to the real meet is always different. That's there.
Yeah.
But last, what is your message to all these trollers? Not to troll you, but to love constantly.
मैं तो यही बोलना चाहूंगी उन सबको कि तुम्हारी ट्रोलिंग की वजह से ही मैं जिंदा हूँ. तो प्लीज जैसे रहने रहो, मजे करो, टाइप करो, 1-2 लाइक के लिए आपको जो करना है करो, बट हाँ मुझे प्यार करना बंद मत करना.
With that, thank you so much.
Thank you.